Hello students, we're doing the within an allowed percent type of problem. Again, these are additional 2-9 notes. So some of the stuff you may need to write in, and if it's already in there, then you're good to go. So here we go. Here's the problem. There are 3,700 marbles in a jar. Students have to guess within 5% to win a prize. Find the maximum and minimum guesses. So what does it mean within 5%? Within 5% means you could be 5% over or 5% under. So basically it's plus and minus 5%, okay? So what does that mean? Well, the maximum could be 5% over. So I'm going to think of that as 1.05. What do you mean 1.05? It's 105%. 5% over is actually 105%. 5% under would be 95%. So you got to think about this being exactly 100%. If you guessed this, you were 100% on the money. Well, we're giving you a within 5% allowed error. Okay, or a within allowed percentage. Okay, so over 5 and under 5 is 105 and 95. Okay, that's pretty easy to think about when you think about it plus and minus 5%. So based off some shortcut ideas, if I know the percentage, what I'm trying to find, I can just use the decimal of it. So here I'm going to take 3,700 times 1.05 for the 5% over, and then 3,700 times 95, 0.95 for the 5% under. So mathematically, it's very easy to calculate and calculate quickly. Here we go. 3,700 times 1.05, and then 3,700 times 95. 0.95, excuse me, I keep saying 0.95. Okay, so the max would be 38. This pen has just about had it. Come on, man. Last math problem. Hang in there, brother. You got it. 35, 15. Okay, there we go. There's the max and the minimum of where a student could be right or wrong. I think I do have math questions that are related to this. So now what you could do from here is if you're in charge and if someone wants to throw a guess at you, you could say if they won or lost. So let's say student number 1 guessed 3,900 marbles. Ooh, nope, sorry, you went over the allowed maximum. So nope, you're wrong. Student number 2 guessed, I don't know, how about 3,650? Yep, you're within the range. Good job. Winner. Good job, student number 2. You get the idea. All right, so to me, that's the quickest way to do that. Just apply the 5% over and the 5% under as a decimal, multiply, and then you're done. The other method, which works just as well, it depends if you like this or not, is another way to find it is just to do the 5%. What is the 5%? So watch this, 0.05 times 3,700. Oh, it's 185. So that means you could have, 5, whoopsies. Got a little ahead of myself. I was thinking about the zeros, the next number I was going to write down. So that means you can do 3,700 plus and minus 185. Okay? Spoiler, you're going to get the same numbers you got over here. Okay, so that's another way to do it. Okay, you can actually find the 5% off and then apply it over and under with a plus and a minus. So either way works. All right. So that's how you do a within an allowed percentage problem, students. Good luck on those.